This commercial audio-visual installation was designed for a cutting-edge manufacturing facility. The installation features a total of 22 display screens, along with 5 tablet-based control interfaces for centralized audio and video management. Audio is delivered through 28 White Pendant Speakers, divided into 2 zones, with a combined output of 1,650 watts. 2 presenter tracking cameras provide full room coverage, allowing viewers to clearly see speakers throughout the training room, break room, 3 conference rooms, 4 offices, and additional common areas. A custom-designed clamshell triple screen mount supports 2 10-inch tablets for audio and video control at the main presentation location, along with a 24-inch interactive monitor that transforms connected devices into a touchscreen experience for presentations and digital whiteboarding. Overall, the system supports up to 22 connected displays throughout the facility, with up to 16 input sources, and Bluetooth connectivity available in each zone. This solution delivers a fully integrated, scalable, and user-friendly audio-visual environment. Every solution we build is engineered from the ground up to fit your space and solve your problems. Reach out to America Tech. Let's get started.